Hello, friends. It's Teacher Wendi. I wanted to share one of my favorite books with you guys today. It is called, oops, you're not going to be able to see it very easy. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. And it is about a silly pigeon that loves cookies. I wonder if you like cookies because I know I do. They're pretty delicious. And I also like to bake them. I like to go with a grown up and have them help me bake cookies. All right, guys. The duckling gets a cookie. Here the pigeon says, I don't like the look of that title. I think he knows that it's not going to be very easy for him to get a cookie. Scooty, scoot, scoot, scoot. Well, hello. May I please have a cookie? It looks like he got a cookie. Look up here. Oh, thanks. Flappity flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all these nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? Look at the pigeon. He looks pretty surprised that duckling got a cookie. Duckling says, I asked for it. You asked for it? I asked nicely, the little duck says. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yep. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Nicely. I ask for things all the time. Look at, it looks like he's about to freak out. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now I'm asking why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the number of times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? Oh no, silly pigeon. No, he says. Look, he said no really loud, and the duckling went rolling, and there's the cookie over here. It's not fair. Flap, flap, flappity flap. Ducklings, they get everything. Look at the duckling looking at his friend. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? Oh, goodness. I wonder if his friend likes that he's yelling at him. I am so frustrated. Well, I got the cookie, so I could give it to you. And another thing. Hubba, what? What did you say? You're giving me that cookie? The one with nuts? Well, that is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Oh, look, the pigeon got a cookie. He's all happy. Bye, the little duck says. May I have another cookie, please? Oh, he asked so nicely. But this time, no nuts. The end. I like that book. Thank you for sitting with me during my story time. I hope you like the book as much as I do. We have a lot of pigeon books in the classroom, so I'm probably going to be reading more. So that'll be really exciting. Okay, friends, I'll see you soon.